the shore. The salt sea air and the collins fair of lovely green Gweedore. There's a flower there beyond compare that I treasure evermore. That grand Colleen in her gown of green, she's the rose of Aranmore. I've travelled far 'neath the northern star since the day I said goodbye, and seen many maids in the golden glades beneath the tropic sky. There's a vision in my reverie that I always shall adore. That grand Colleen in her gown of green, she's the rose of Aranmore. But soon I will return again to the scenes I love so well, where many's an Irish lad and lass their tales of love do tell.